Armstrong now has 2 Axiom drywall trims that can help you save time, material, and labor on your next project. On your right is our traditional 2-piece extruded aluminum drywall trim, which integrates with all classic Axiom profiles 2 to 16 inches. Install it straight or on a radius as tight as 24 inches. On your left is our new 1-piece trim, available in 2.5, 4, and 6-inch profiles, straight or radius. Plus, with this trim you get a 1-piece seamless visual. Now, consider, how would you traditionally build a floating drywall condition which takes 7 passes, with each pass adding time, material, and labor? First, you frame with stud and track, which includes excessive return framing to structure. After drywalling, install corner bead and tape. Can you believe that we've already made 3 to 4 passes? Next, after taping, we have 3 coats of mud, then sanding, and finally painting. How much time and labor did this take? If your cloud is curved, your complexity increased even more. Classic Axiom with drywall trim will complete the vertical portion of this upturn, start to finish, in only 1 pass. First, the 2-piece system. Separate Axiom drywall bottom trim integrates with all 8 classic Axiom sizes. Armstrong drywall grid eliminates your slow and excessive horizontal stud framing. Here we have 2-inch classic Axiom connected via the Axiom T-bar connector clip to Armstrong drywall grid. Screw 5/8 inch drywall to the drywall grid, terminating it just an 1/8 inch behind the bottom groove in the classic Axiom. Next, insert the Axiom drywall bottom trim with integrated taping flange into the Axiom groove. Fix in place with drywall screws into the drywall grid above. Apply mesh tape before mud application to prevent cracking. Tight, complicated, radiused clouds are a breeze with the 2-piece system. Now, the new Axiom 1-piece drywall perimeter trim, now available in 2.5, 4, and 6-inch vertical profiles. Unlike the previous 2-piece system, where drywall is installed before the bottom trim application, with the new 1-piece system, 5/8 drywall is installed after the 1-piece trim has been connected to the Armstrong drywall grid system. Make sure to place screws through the bottom taping flange as with the previous 2-piece system. Here's a handy field tip. Overextend your drywall grid a foot or so, then attach the bagged Axiom trim to the upper drywall grid with zip ties. Position your Axiom precisely where you want it, then tighten the zip ties. Next, take a Sharpie and mark the leading cut edge on the drywall grid just above the face of the Axiom. Make your cut about an 1/8 inch back. After you have made all of your marks, cut the drywall grid and attach to the Axiom via the supplied T-bar connector clips. Additional parallel framing may be necessary for proper bottom flange attachment at the splice joints. If a T-bar connector clip needs to fall where a splice plate is located, simply remove the threaded screw from the splice plate and insert the T-bar connector screw instead. A finished Axiom 1-piece drywall bottom trim installation, the ultimate in flawless, clean transitions from horizontal to vertical. Axiom's vertical face is smooth and free of visual defects so common with stud and track 7-pass builds.